NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. Inside a colossal hidden complex, machines redesign transportation by sculpting motionless matter with controlled resonance. Here, PulseRay Transport Pods are born, vehicles formed not from metal and wheels, but from orchestrated sound. Imagine entering a small, silent booth. Curved, dark walls glimmer softly, absorbing every stray vibration.
At its center, a pale ring of light awaits your step, like a poised event horizon.
The air thickens as invisible frequencies rise. The walls begin to tremble, weaving a translucent pod. A single weightless pulse flashes through you, and the booth dissolves into an entirely different horizon. This is the promise of the PulseRay Transport Pod, a vehicle conjured from resonance instead of hardware. In the late 21st century, transportation stops pushing objects through space and starts sculpting space itself. At its core, twin sonic booths, separated by continents, their curved interiors tiled with metamaterial pulse frequency plates. When a traveler steps inside, these plates awaken in unison, generating a standing wave capsule around their body. The pod wraps every atom in synchronized fields, coupling instantly to a matching capsule in a distant booth. To the outside world, nothing moves. Inside, position unhooks from distance, riding a hidden bridge of resonance.
To build this illusion of teleportation, the journey begins in a factory of silence and crystal.
Beneath a shielded dome, automated refineries melt ultra-pure silica and rare earths into flawless, shimmering lattice blocks. These become phononic crystals, structures that bend and trap sound, laced with quantum piezoelectric channels like frozen lightning. Once cooled, robotic cutters slice each block into thin hexagonal plates, future pulse frequency tiles for sonic booths. In nanoforges, plates glide on magnetic rails as femtosecond lasers etch impossibly dense quantum circuitry. Meta-atoms and quantum dots embed within the surface, then entangle, letting entire plate arrays share perfect timing. In cavernous calibration chambers, stacks of plates suspend in mid-air while silent test pulses ripple through them.
Sensor webs map each response as AI adjusts nanomasses and stresses, tightening synchronization to trillionths of a second.
Sealing phase anchors and a glowing floor ring install next, while hidden waveguides converge into a central core.
This core, the pulse engine, houses a quantum processor that simulates fields, booths, and bodies in real time.
Initial trials use delicate atom fogs. The plates sing, and a ghostly, translucent pod flickers into existence. Confidence grows. Mechanical assemblies, biological samples, and instrument racks vanish from one booth and reappear perfectly in another.
At certification, a finished booth stands like a doorway, its quiet interior now considered safe for travelers.
A traveler steps inside. Doors seal, and embedded plates bathe the chamber in a dim, shifting glow.
Ultrasound, infrared, and electromagnetic waves rise together, equalizing pressure until the traveler feels weightless within the capsule. The pulse engine locks onto its twin booth. Phase anchors flare, briefly decoupling the pod from normal inertia. A single sculpted pulse ray surges through, collapsing location here and reasserting it there along a hidden corridor.
Fields unwind, plates fall silent, and the doors reveal another city, another continent, another waiting world.
When such jumps become routine, cities fracture and reform. Commuting shrinks from hours to instantaneous pulses. Doctors, responders, and cargo move point to point through booth constellations, bypassing roads, ships, and aircraft entirely. Families breakfast together, scatter across continents, then return for dinner, and the idea of living far away dissolves. Control of these booths means control of movement, raising security, identity, and ethical questions, yet offering unprecedented freedom.
The PulseRay pod becomes more than a vehicle. It is a new boundary between here and there.
Walls of sound form only when needed, woven from resonance. Journeys compress to light pulses as reality rearranges.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.